Here is preposition. Preposition tells us position of something. It indicates direction, location, time or manner, which will be discussed in the kinds of preposition. Here is preposition of place. Preposition of place indicates location. It tells us date what is the location. For example, she is sitting under the tree. This is the location of where she is sitting. Then there is preposition of time. Preposition of time indicates time. For example, in, on, at. Now look, there is written in, on, at in the preposition of place. Preposition of place tells us position. For example, the book is on the table. So here on is telling us the place, like on the table. Whereas if we use this on as a preposition of time, we will use it as the meeting is scheduled on July 4th. So here on is used as the preposition of time. Since is also used as the preposition of time, like since the beginning of the month. Beginning of the month is the preposition of the time. So here since is the preposition of time. Preposition of direction. Preposition of direction indicates movement, like to, towards, into, up, through. The road to the village is narrow. Means the road that is going to the village is narrow. Position of cause. This is also the kind of preposition which tells us the cause. Because of, due to. So these are the examples. The exams were postponed because of the severe weather conditions. Now if we use only because, for example, she cannot come to the university because she is ill. So here because is our conjunction. When we use because of, this will be our cause. This will be our preposition, like she is not coming to the university because of illness. Then there is preposition of manner. Preposition of manner tells then how action is performed. Okay, like the candidate solved the problem with the skill. The candidate has solved the problem, but how? With skill. So here with is also a preposition of manner. Then there is preposition of agency. Preposition of agency, we said it because the performer of the action is used by the preposition by. The painting was created by the artist. So preposition of agency is usually mostly used in the passive format. Then there is preposition of possession. Again, we have only two preposition of possession, like of and with. It shows something is possessed by someone. For example, the cover of the book Kite Runner indicates the significance of kites. So here the cover of the book, here of is indicating the possession. The possession of the book is what? The cover.